have got in store for you?
First, we're going to have our game show Eggheads. After that, we will be hearing from our weather reporters.
Then, we will have a special river-themed dance performance.
Next up, we'll be hearing all about the latest mountain expedition fashion trends. Afterwards, we will be hearing today's top news stories.
Finally, we will round off a wonderful performance from the 6RH Choir.
Over to you, Corndew. Hello and welcome to Eggheads. Contestants, you have 30 seconds to answer the following questions. Are you ready?
Question number 1. Where do mountains come from?
I know. The Earth's surface is like a giant jigsaw puzzle made out of tectonic plates, which are always moving. Sometimes these move towards one another and push up to form mountains.
Amazing fact.
Question number 2. Are all mountains the same?
I know. No, there are 3 main types of mountains. Fault mountains, fault block mountains, and dome mountains. Volcanoes are also a type of mountain.
Very well explained, thank you.
Question number 3. What do you call the place where a river begins?
Oh, I know. The place where a river begins is called a source. Rivers often get their water from many smaller streams that join together.
Interesting information.
Finally, question number 4. Which is the longest river in the world?
Pick me! The river Nile is the longest river in the world. It is approximately 6,700 kilometers long and flows through 4 different countries.
Well done, contestant.
You are all due to the next round, but for now, it is back to the studio for a special themed dance performance. What a beautiful performance. Now over to Captain Jinjin for the weather forecast.
Good afternoon. We're at the summit of Mount Fuji and experiencing freezing temperature. We are -7 degrees with gale force winds.
As you get higher, the colder it gets. The lower pressure at higher altitudes causes cooler temperatures at the top of the mountains. Back over to the studios.
Hello everyone! We're here to bring you all you need to know about what's hot and what's not in this year's latest mountain expedition wear.
Showcase the gorgeous models and designed by no others than you truly, of course, me!
So let's get the show on the road. First off, the elegant Mona!
First start, a rucksack such as this is required and a harness so that you can tie rope on for safety in case you fall.
Second off is the fantastic Kipra! A helmet is for protecting your head against falling rocks, ice, or mud.
Now for starting model number 3, Ray Floyd.
I'm wearing a specialist climbing jacket made from waterproof material and lined with thermal layers to keep me warm.
For the fourth model is the amazing Lily.
Special mountain crampons are spikes that you can attach to your boot and help you to dig into the rocks.
Now you know how to be practical yet stylish whilst up in the mountains.
Back to you in the studio.
Today now, top news story. We are discussing the pollution of rivers and how it can be prevented.
Pollution is the main cause of poor water quality in Thailand. Let's head to our environmentalist at Chao Phraya River.
Thank you, Art. Yes, we are here with some top tips for
Firstly, try to use less plastic as it gets harder to break down and often ends up in the world's water supply. Try to reuse and recycle items instead.
Secondly, try not to flush medicines, oils, or chemicals such as pesticide into the water supply, as this can pollute our rivers. Thirdly, try eating more organic foods. Sticking to an organic diet reduces the amount of chemical pollution that ends up in our rivers.
Thank you for those top tips. Back to you in the studio for another performance.
We hope you enjoyed learning about mountains and rivers as much as we have. Thank you for watching our class assembly.